Hi, my name is Ryan Birchfield, and on behalf of Professor Bodart, I'm creating this video guide to submitting via Google Docs for the Info 266 class of Fall 2025. To submit via a Google Doc, your submitter for the group project of the policy manual will need to create the final document. It doesn't have to be the document that you're working on, but it does need to be whatever document you're finally submitting does need to be created by the group submitter. So, in short, I've already made one, and as you can see, this is filled out wonderfully, and the rest of the policy is down below. But to submit it, firstly, go to the Share button, change the general access from restricted to anyone with link, change them from a viewer to a commenter. Chances are, if you're working as a group project, you've already changed this to editor, so make sure that all edits for your group are completed before you change it to commenter. You don't want people trying to fix the document last minute and being left as a comment. Once that is done, click Copy Link. It will be copied. Click Done. Then head over to Canvas. Head over to the file. Head over to the assignments page. And whatever assignment you are submitting for, assignments 3 through 4. Start the assignment. Scroll up to website URL. And then just paste the link that you copied and hit Submit. That's it. Afterwards, the professor will be able to add comments to your documents, and you will be able to edit and fix those comments after the grade is posted. Thanks. I hope this helped.